O tendenzione narcita topar lamina yantele tayate kiche hujire. Tene rangi semdella nyamombi number 2 ba momboji shargi yare te yenao te jisu mandong ajigene tare netwa jite kiche mores.
So, of course, that as we do this Guru Yoga practice, which is the essential practice that which is very important for oneself, and then besides that, this our mind every time somehow this all sorts of afflictive emotional thoughts just arise. But important is not to just follow after that and try to just abide in a more relaxed way.
Long la lu nga yesam yore ti non ne sem te number 2 ba na to ba tron de to sem re tera temete le rong ga ke yobana shegere.
So as we know, we have this our body, speech, mind, and out of these three, the most important or the main is our mind. And then whatsoever sorts of these thoughts and conceptual thoughts, afflictive emotion arise is just because of mind. So it is important to work and train with one's mind.
Sera tume ne taji batu sem korange wante roa ritu de liten de ne manava so me banda wasene dungar munda me banyon de sem to sem gres.
So, from beginningless lifetime, as we wander in these 6 realms, that we even just doesn't know what sorts of forms we have taken and what sorts of form that we have not taken, and in that way, just completely wandering, and that is all everything just caused by this our mind.
Lama ten le tambi chinya so lena. Dunga delle Trotugri, te maim bajirate, Dunga delle Trotum Mebana.
So, in this way, if one just rely upon a master and then engage into this Dharma practice and then following those kind of practices properly, and that is the only solution through which one can liberate from the suffering of samsara. Other than that, there is no other path.
Lama tenne, lami tu jisi lagi, sondi ji gomo toga bajire, ngaron lama yon to baji tenne, sem number 2 ba, na so ba trendu ade, pa nyoro tone, tembo se ne tumna, tenne tarwaji saban tegirwas.
So even all the past Buddhas and Bodhisattvas, all those enlightened beings, they depend upon the master and then receiving that blessing through which they attain all those enlightenment. Similar like that, we all also just try to find the right and perfect master, and through which we just receive all this teaching and then try to work with one's mind according to the instruction that where we could stabilize our mind and then go through purification. That way we can have the experience of liberation.
Also, Mili Ramboja Tobati, Masi Yabore, Senteji come Tamimier, the Dinoni, the Mili Ramboja Tobata, Aronto Ginawati, Otto Terre, Yena Mili Tobate, Nyansa Yabo Lankrimado, Mili Tobalaki, Kiva Jachambosi Matoba, Tipa Tomabati, Sena, Mili Tobale, Dame,
So, of course, it is really great that we could obtain this precious human form as compared to like a number of sentient beings, which is countless of them, and through which one could obtain this just a human form. And within this, what we have obtained, that if we could not engage into Dharma practice and otherwise just still kind of causing lots of negativity, then even we obtain human form is also just waste, and we could not get any benefit out of it.
Tari sembo laso vajili den topsu na korontu ikani tat katuje depa kase seje jire matole ngaso milito banongi jikeni depa jachimote setu kumare te ni ngaron so liten chebar tenla number hiba tumoda ji incha se gure te ti chendege depa mo so gure te them gure.
So even these scary animals like tigers and leopards and these kind of cannibals, that while they are just, kind of in that life, they may just, kill those animals and that much negativity they cause. But they never cause like that much how human beings cause so many kind of, negativity. So in that way, if just humans we could just do in a virtuous way, then there are all these possibility. Otherwise it may also cause lots of suffering and negativity to many other beings. So that is why we as a human just have to be very careful about what we do.
Luten dilla tarwatan di chembason je ko lugino luten de yen to gure tame be kanson karan seme je no luten de ke zogire te indi rong lute ya bo je dam tishon ka te yen de to basi sanja ton de la jamano ni de topper gum o tension ya bo.
So that even we want to just be liberated from the suffering of samsara and attain complete enlightenment, that which is also this our present, the body, which is the support. And at the same time, even just, somehow we are wandering in this, samsara for, kind of endless lifetime, also will be created through this, body. So that way, just one have to understand how one can take advantage of this precious human rebirth to engage into these dharma practices, that which one can get the actual benefit out of it. So how much the material wealth that we could gain, but just we'll never ever just have that kind of satisfaction or the contentment, just still seems like want more. So that way, just we are being completely obstructed our path for the liberation because of this desire, ignorance, and hatred. These three poisons. So in this way, that in all the time, in any aspect, that try to watch and work with one's mind, how we can reduce and get rid of all these afflictive emotions. So, however, that if we could just maintain or tame this mind in a kind of satisfied way, that which is somehow kind of always seems difficult. So try to work with it. So during this our retreat time, it is important that one could engage into the dharma practice properly, as these teachings, Khenpo and Tugus are just concentrating. Then not to waste the time and try to apply in your mind stream and try to do very careful way.
And thank you. Okay, thank you. Yeah.